Welcome back. I am Sinura Wahalathanthri and I'm here with my 13th video from the eShop web project development series. So in my previous video, we talked about the product registration page design. So in this video, we are going to talk about the validation part of it. So to go to this page, we are going to use the anchor tag as my products. So I told you, we are going to talk about this page design and the validation part in another video. So for this video, we are going to use only this button. After you click this button, you will be going to this page called Add New Product. So we talked about the design of this page in my previous video. So now let's do the validation part of it. Okay, so first I will show you what happens in this page. Then let's go to the code and check what I have done over here. So what happens in this page is, when you click the category, so for this I will give a category as watches. So when you give this watches, a brand will be changed to the G shop. So that means when you click selected category, the brand that is specified to this category will be gone automatically. So I will give a model also. So for this model, I will give smart. After you give these three selector tags, they are asking for a title. So for the title, I will give G shock latest. So I will give this. I will give this as my title. Then after you give this, they are asking for a condition. So when you came to this page, you all saw that the condition was being checked already, but I didn't give it. So I will just keep like that. So you all can change it for the use and to brand new. So I will give brand new. So for the color, I will give something like, let's take sun yellow. Okay. After that, y'all can see that the add product quantity. So y'all can add a product from this tags, and you also can add some quantities by typing. So I'll type about 30. Okay. Now they're asking for a cost per item. So I'll give the price of this product. So I'll give 25,000. After that, they are just giving me the design of the approved payment methods. After that, they are asking for a delivery cost. For the delivery cost, I will give about 250. And I will give for the delivery cost out of Colombo 300 rupees. And for the description, I will give pool gadgets. I'll just give this. So it's just like a sample. Then I will just give watch. After that, when you give a description, they are asking for add product images. So for this, I can only give 3 images or less. So let's give about 3 images. So I will take images from here. So I will take this. I'll take this also and also this. After you give this, I will give open. Then after you give that, you all can see the images that I add are over here. Okay, so we talked about the design. So in this design, only this part is there. Okay, so after I give these details, I'm gonna save the product. So for the save product, I will give this button. Then after you give this button, you all can see echo have come, product saved successfully, and the product image also has been saved successfully. And when you press OK, it reloads. So y'all can see it now because y'all can see the URL. So let's check, have this gone to my database? Oh, it haven't. So let's go and check what I have done in my database. So when you go into my database, I'll give F5 to reload it. So after you reload it, you all can see the data I added over there in my add new product page. the data I added are also uploaded to here. So y'all can see the ID is 26, the color ID is 4. Likewise, I have given these titles, descriptions, styles, status, and the condition, date, time, user email, and the delivery fee, other delivery fee, Colombo. Like that I have given. So now let's check what I have done in the backend code. So these are the codes that I have given for the add product.php. So like normal, we are gonna give the header. So the links are the same. After that, in the body, I have given my header. Then I have given my require connection, and I have given a if is set $u. And I have also given a call 12 and a div class row. Then after that, I have given these titles. Then I have given an input. So for the inputs, I have given this call 12 and the div class row. And for the category, I have given these select tags. So I'm not going to talk about the design now. So let's talk about the database part. So over here for the option, I have given a value called 0, but the name of it is select category. So there are no values for that. But for the PHP script, I have given $category rs, then the database, and I have given a query as select all from category and a category num and the category rs num row. For the for loop, I have given $x, 0, $x is smaller than category num, and the $x should be +1, plus. After that, I have given the $category data, category rs, fetch assoc. After that, I have closed my PHP script and opened it. And in between of that, I have given an option, and the value of it is the category data ID. And I can show the ID as 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 until 26 or 25 now. So for that, I have given for the name, I have given the category data name. So the same thing is gonna be happening in the select product brand and the model. So in the select category part, y'all can see an unchanged called load brand. So this means when you select a category, you all saw that when I selected the watches category, the specified brand will be gone to it automatically. So this is the unchanged why it happens. So first let's talk about this brand and the model. Then let's go to the script.js. So the same thing I have done in the category is also over here. The option value is 0, but I have changed the category to brand, and I have given for the $x 0. $x0, $y0. The same thing is gonna be happening in the model also, but I have changed the brand to model and the Y to Z. Okay. So now let's talk about the load brand. So I will go to my load brand. Load brand unchanged. So these are the codes that I have given. So I have given in $get method. It goes in the get method, and it should go to the load brand.php, and it should take the value called C and the $category. Then let's go and check what I have done in the load brand.php. So these are the codes that I have given for my load brand.php. And for these, I have given the $brand rs and the category ID as $get C. Then I have given an if and $brand's num brand is greater than 0, the for loop should work, and the for loop is the $x0, $x is smaller than brand num, $x plus. Then the $brand data and to the $brand rs fetch assoc. After that, I have given my option as value. So for the values, I have given the value $php, $brand data ID, and I have given the PHP script for the name, the select. I have told the $brand's data name. Then if it goes to the else, these should work. So the old brand should be working. So it's not specified to any category, but you will be shown the whole brand set. So now let's check what I have done more in the add product.php. So you all can see the title, and for the title I have given an ID. Then for the conditions I have given IDs as BU, and for the colors also I have given ID as ID CLR. Then when I go down, I have gone to the ID input as for the add, I have given a CLR in. So when I go down, you all can see in the quantity, I have given an ID for the input as QTY. And for the cost per item, you all can see I have given an ID for the input as cost. And I have given the approved payment method, so we are not going to talk about it. We talked about it in my previous video. So the same thing what I have done in the cost per item. For the input over here, I have given DWC, and for the other one, I have given DOC. So when I go down, you all can see I have given IDs for the text area of the description. And for the product images, I have given I1, I0, I1, I2. So you all can put anything like you want, like 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. You all can do that because it goes to a value as 0 to 1, 2, right there. So you won't understand it until we go to the JavaScript side and the add product process. So you all can see for the upload images, I have given a ID as image uploaded, and I have given another class as multiple. So you all can take multiple choices. So the same thing what happens in the profile image part that we talked in the user profile page. So that happens over here, but a little bit changed. So when I go down, the save product, add product on click will be working. So let's go and check what I have done in the script.js for that. So first, let's talk about this change product image. So these are the codes that I have given for the change product image. So what happens is the document.getElement by ID image uploaded, image.onChange function, these should work. So this is an anonymous function. It don't have any name. So after that function works, these var file count image.files length. Then after that, I have given an if else. So if the file count is equal to or smaller than 3, the for loop should be working as var x0 x is smaller than file count x plus plus. After that also I have given the var file this.files x var URL window.url. Create object URL file. Then document.getElement by ID I plus x.src equals URL. So if it don't happen, if it goes more than 3, then an alert should come as select 3 or less images. So in the add product function, I have given the form the IDs that I got from the add product.php are assigned for new items as category, brand, model, title, condition, color import, quantity, cost, DWC, DOC, DESC. Likewise, I have given these. But for the conditions, I have given another var condition equals 0. If document.getElement by ID B is equals to checked, a condition should be equal to 1. And if not, if U is checked, the condition should be 2. Then I have assigned these values for a new value as CA, B, MT, con, call in, QTY, cost, DWC, DOC, DESC. So these are the values that I got from here. And I have given an f.append in my form data. Then I have given the var file count image files length. Then after that I have given a for loop and a var x equals 0, x is smaller than file count, x plus plus. So f.append image plus x and a comma and image.files x. Then the another process like we talked about in the other videos also, our new the Ajax request. So we are sending this in a post method, and it should go to the product process.php, and it should go in the Ajax method. And while sending it, you should send the form data also. So to look whether it's going, I have given a r.ready on ready state. Then I have given a ready state as equals to 4. Then varti response text, and if it's equals to product image saved successfully, the window.location should be reloaded, and if not, else t should come. So let's check what I have done in the add product process. So these are the codes that I have given for this page. So I have given the values that I got from the form data over here. Then I have assigned them to new values as category, brand, model, title, condition, CLR input, QTY, cost, DWC, DOC, DESC. Then I have told if category is equal to 0, please select the category, echo should come. So we talked about this like a part in the sign up process. So the same thing is going to happen over here. But some stuff are changed, like this quantity part where the dollar quantity is equal to 0 and the dollar quantity is equals to E, dollar quantity smaller than 0. So like that. So we talked about this string length 100. Then we also talked about this empty part, but we didn't talk about this not is numeric. So what happens over here is, if it's not a numeric value, it should give invalid input for cost. So y'all can type about high for the cost, so it won't happen if you give like that. So we are not going to talk about it now. So let's go and check what I have done in the else. So MHBRS, that means model has brand RS. Then it should go to the select query. The select query is select all from model has brand, where brand ID dollar is equals to dollar brand and model ID is equals to dollar model. And I have given a global variable as model has brand. Then I have given an if statement as dollar MHBRS equals num rows 1. The MHB data dollar MHBRS fetch as of. Then the dollar model has brand ID equals to MHB data ID. And if it goes to the else, the database IUD should work as the insert query. Insert into model has brand, model has brand, and the columns are the brand ID and the model ID, where the values are the dollar brand and the dollar model. Then the model has brand ID, database, and the connection should be insert ID. After the else, I have given another part as the date time, where when the date the product is added. So these are the queries that I have given for it. So $D new date time, $TZ where the time zone is Asia Colombo, $D set time zone, then $date, the format should be the year, months, dates, and the hours, minutes, seconds, and the status should be 1, and the price IUD should be the $date, the database IUD should be the insert into the product table, where the price, quantity, description, title, date, time added, delivery free Colombo, delivery free other, category ID, model has brand ID, color ID, status ID, condition ID, user email. So for those columns, these values should come as $cost, $QTY. Likewise, these values should come. And if this all happens, the echo should come as product saved successfully. After that, $product ID, database, $connection, insert ID. And I have given a $length, size of $files. If $length is smaller than or equals to 3 and the $length is bigger than 0, allowed image extension arrays are image JPG, JPEG, PNG, SVG plus XML. Then the for loop should work as $x, 0, $x, length is $x plus plus. Then if is set $files, image that $x, likewise these are the same things what I gave in the user profile. Then if it if it happens, it should be inserted into images where the code and the product ID values are file name and the product ID, and the file name should be it should go to the mobile images where the $title, and I have concat $x unique ID new image extension. So if it don't happen, an echo should come as invalid image type, and if this all happen, this image part happens, product image save successfully should happen. The echo should come. Then if the image just didn't come, and if it don't happen, an echo should come as invalid image count. So this is it in this video. I hope you all understood it. So have a nice day and bye.